So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. So web design series, 21st video on HTML, styles and semantics things we are going to discuss. What is style, sir? Actually, I need to apply a style or give a style to an element in an HTML. Over there, we will be using the style concept, HTML styles. The style can be given on the same line for a button to give a color. The style can be placed somewhere in the head tag or in the body tag to give a color to the button. That is how HTML style works. Okay, and we'll talk about the style tag. What is semantics, sir? Semantics are nothing but providing some meaningful informations, grouping the data in a format of, I got a paragraph, big paragraph, sir. The introduction of the poem, the exact key point of the poem, the highlights of the poem, the summary of the poem, something like that you can specify it, man. So that is called as semantics. And we are going to talk about the style and the semantic tag now. And apart from that, there are some tags available like aside. Aside tags are somehow it is related, but it is not the actual content. And there is iframe tag that is really different. So a browser can be injected or created inside a browser. That is called as your iframe tag. So we are going to talk about those things now. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. The first one is like a style tag. Style tag is nothing but, as I told you, so let me open the div tag, span tag, header, footer, main tags, and we got section and article. That's good. Okay, over here, as I told you, style tag. Style tag can be defined. So obviously style can be placed either in the header or it can be in the body. Style, you're able to see color, H1 color, you got paragraph, you got red color, you got your red color. Okay, obviously you are able to see the H1 and paragraph, you got the colors here. So you can see the detail code here, H1, the blue color is applied, and the paragraph tag, you got the red color applied. This is how your style tag is. And the next one, we are going to talk about the div tag. Dividing the portion, grouping the data and dividing the portion can be achieved with the div tag. Okay, it is grouping of data. So div tag is one of the fantastic element in HTML and web designing. This is your div tag, grouping of data, and I grouped it and make it as a red color. Instead of sending H2 color, paragraph separate colors, group it and style applied on the group. That is your div style or div tag. And the next one is your span tag. Sir, I got an element, sir. I got a paragraph. In the paragraph, only one word, I want to make it as italic, sir. Can I do it? Yes. In a specific paragraph, in a paragraph tag, I can do something specifically for a specific word. Okay, that is can be achieved with this span tag. Span tag won't exist outside, directly inside the body tag. It will be available or placed inside some paragraph or header tags. So it is a sub element of some tag. It can't be a main element. That is how the span tag is. Semantic is really important in 2015. In HTML5 and all, the people started thinking about the semantic concept, grouping of content, grouping of data. I got a big paragraph, place it as a header or place it in footer. So header is one of the tag which is used for making the content like a semantic, indicating to the user that this is a header element, header content. Head is different and header is different. Please make a note of it. Okay. On the other hand, footer, the ending portions of a web page, like copyrights information and other things, can be placed under the footer tag. This is my footer tag. You got the social networks, copyrights reserved, everything can be placed in the footer tag. And finally, you got your main tag. So specifying the elements, which elements are really important, emphasizing the element priority. So such can be specific, such content can be placed under the main tag, and these are the articles which are the sub elements in the tag. So over here I got the section tag and article tags and detail tags and summary tag. So these tags, so you got your section tag specifying the data as separate sections. So you are able to see the sections here. And specifying it is an article also. Section and article are more or less similar. Grouping of content. And you got your details tag. It is used in summary tags. It is associated with summary tag. Details tag in the sense like I got a lot of data and I got the details of the entire final details. I'll make it as a summary. You'll have this summary tag here. Here is the summary tag. This is how your tags are used to group the elements. And apart from that, you got your aside tag, dialog tag and iframe. Aside tag, as I told you, this tag is not the actual content. The relative information about the content is given in this aside tag. That is not the actual content, and the information about the content, something like that, that is placed as the aside tag. And you got a dialog tag. Dialog tag is nothing but showcasing a dialogue like this. Further, we'll be using this dialog tag. You got your dialog tag. And this is the final one. You got your iframe. So iframe tags is nothing but I want to emboss a web page inside a web page. So you are able to see the tags here. You are able to see the website is there. Inside that you got another website. So this is your iframes. This is your iframes. You're able to see the left tabs is iframe. This is how your iframe tag works.